Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick daily analysis. It's Monday. It seems like the market is rebounding. That will be very good because on Friday everyone was panicking. Things were just going down, and I think we have some earnings coming this week. I will just check that. I did not really actually update. If maybe it's gonna be maybe Wednesday, Thursday, but mostly they are on Thursdays. But after the market close, I will just check that. But it seems like we're gonna have a very great week. You can just go check some tensions which are just happening all over the world. It seems like all prices will be going up after the conflict. Stuff like this, we know they do happen. Another thing is, let's just go on our economic calendar. It's Monday, and I don't know if maybe it's the first time I see like the news quite similar to retail sales on Monday. On Monday, I know this. It should be maybe on Wednesday, Thursday, sometimes on Tuesday, but not on Monday. So, and you know what I see there? You can see that the forecast actually, if you check the previous month and forecast and actual, it seems like this forecast is quite high. So, which means if it's gonna go higher like that, it's gonna be bad for the market because they try to recover. They are trying to recover, but if they go up like that, it means we're gonna see some sell. So maybe that's why we see the market is bouncing. Or maybe if we get some negatives here, that will be good because at least the dollar is gonna lose some of the momentum, you see. So also you can see retail sale month over month. This is 0.4. Let's hope maybe it's gonna be less than 0.4. That will be great. But Tuesday, which is tomorrow, it's Bailey's gonna speak, Bank of England. Powell is also going to speak around 7. CPI year over year for Britain on Wednesday. Bailey is going to speak. So let's see. Unemployment claim. So actually the most important economic news that we have this week is this one here today, and also Powell on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So we have to make sure that we check that. So let me try to be as quick as possible. If you did not really subscribe yet, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. The special is still here. Just WhatsApp me, or I will just place this at the end of the video. We still have that $48 special for 6 months. So what's really happening on Eurusd? The market is just going up and down, but what I like here is the market just broke out of this support area. You can see we had a nice uptrend, so now the market is trying to consolidate there, so which means we need to look for a sell around this level. You see, once the market breaks this level here of a support, we have to look for that sell. But for now, the market might just consolidate. You can see these are quite big moves, so it means one mistake, you can actually lose something. Right? So let's push to the next one, which is Euro JPY. I was talking about this yesterday. If you did check my yesterday's video, I think you did see this. You saw this uptrend. The market was going up very nice, and when you check, the market was already on this support area, and I told you that we will actually look for a buy. Unfortunately, this happens while we're still sleeping, guys, because we just need to rest. We can't just always be on the charts. But if you did follow this, obviously you were going to smash this very nice. You can see I did place this yesterday. You can go on my previous weekly analysis just to see what was happening. So which means the euro euro versus JPY, it's still very strong. So which means the trend is still continuing. So the trend can continue like that. Simple as that. So that's why we don't really talk about downtrend on a structure like that. I like this because in the group we did have a very nice signal on this. So it shows us that the dollar, it's gaining some momentum again against this thing is getting slower, against JPY. You can see we have a very proper uptrend. So we had a nice buy. The market never came even closer to our stop loss. Now the market is going towards that take profit. I was talking about this yesterday, that we've been on a hold there because the market has been just consolidating. But if you were still holding this, that's really great. But yeah, I think that's really great. Actually, you never get in any serious negative. So if you've been holding that, just know that you're supposed to lock your profits, or you can just close your profits. It's up to you. So at the end of the day, we're gonna have something like that. So which means something like this will end up continuing. But the best thing is to wait for the market to give that proper structure before we decide our own thing, right? Let's wait for the market to create those structures, then we follow those structures, right? So not like we have to just jump in the market unnecessarily. So wait for the market and then follow the market structure. Now we are on GBP JPY, quite similar to what we saw on Euro JPY. We can easily see that we are still on this nice uptrend. You can see from these levels, and that fourth touch there, I was talking about it yesterday, but on Friday, unfortunately, the market was still going down. So which means I wasn't just going to send any signal while the market is still going down. But since I did talk about it on our analysis yesterday, if you are following me here, obviously you did take this, and you can see that it's a simple, straightforward buy. Simple, straightforward buy. And I think if maybe you jumped in, maybe it's time for you to lock the profits, or you can just get out, or you can hold if you believe that the market will be continuing going up. Because on an uptrend, just know that, guys, we expect the market to go or to push even higher in a long run. Yes, we're gonna have some reversals here and there, but at the end of the day, the market will end up continuing. Here we are on Bitcoin. Yes, we can see that Bitcoin actually adjusted the structure. It's actually a very nice uptrend. We can do something like that, but you can see it makes sense here and there. We have several structures that we're respecting those levels. So here we can, I hate doing very thick stuff like that, but you can see it makes sense. It makes sense. So we can just leave it like that. So which means, yes, I'm still expecting to see this uptrend continuing, unless if the market decides to break out of this support area. That's how it is, right? So let's push to the next one, which is DXY dollar index. Quite strong. It was very stronger last week, and even now I can say it's quite stronger. Maybe the market wants to respect this level. It will depend on the market. If it respects that, it means we will see the market going down. But at the moment, we can easily see that, yes, that bullish move was quite aggressive. Then this early morning, we can easily see 3-4 candlesticks there struggling to go up. Maybe this is going to be our potential resistance. Maybe the market will be going down. So this might be a very important area. So once the market is doing that, we might see the market on the other side flying or going up. So we are on Euro USD. What's really happening? This one punched me last week, and that, yeah, that is part of the game. But I don't really trade Euro USD. I don't know why I took that. I thought maybe it was going to be a very nice scalping. But the bigger picture here is you can easily see that we were on a nice downtrend structure, and I'm still expecting to see something like this to happen. So which means I'm expecting to see a very nice downtrend structure. Now it seems like the market is trying to reverse. We will wait and see. Maybe the market wants to retest around this area and give us another continuation of a sell. Yes, it's possible that it can still break that level and continue towards this resistance, and then go even lower. Simple as that. For now, we're just waiting for that reversal. Quite similar to GBPUSD, they were also selling last week. So which means, yes, if maybe you were looking for a sell, that's actually good, because we are on a downtrend structure. We expecting something like this to continue happening. Do you see that? So, but where we are, we have a nice structure like this. So this area might be the same as this, so be extra careful. So sometimes the market might not really break here, but it might respect this area. You can see on the bottom side the market did respect that. So if the market doesn't really break that, it means we're gonna see the market respecting this support area, which means that is going to be our next resistance. Then we can say, okay, we continue to go down, unless if the market tries to break out of that. We still have another stronger resistance. Maybe the market will just keep continuing like that. So yeah, simple as that. Let's push to the next one, which is gold. The precious metal. It seems like I heard some people that say gold might actually go up to 3,000. Wow, that will be crazy. But I think, yes, the market is not actually limited to anything, so it might still go there. So what we see here is we have a proper support area. You can see that the market is still going up very nice. We can see that this is a very nice uptrend. So where we are on a very nice support. I'm expecting to see the market going up. So we have this nice pending order there, buy pending order. I'm expecting to see this continuation of that buy, especially when we have these tensions left and right. That is not really good for other markets, but for gold, that's really good. Gold, oil, silver, platinum, all those things that are actually very important, very good to buy around this time. So now we are on US30. US30, it gives me this downtrend structure at the moment, because you can see we are coming from this nice uptrend structure, right? So now we are on this, and just look at these reversals. So the market just aggressively started to sell, and we had a proper sell. You can see where the market was, a smaller profit, but it seems like the market is trying to reverse. So we'll see if maybe the market is going to respect this resistance or not, or maybe the market will be reversing. I'm afraid that later this week I will be checking about that earnings, that we might have those earnings, and you know what, the market might start to reverse again. But what we see currently is we have a proper structure that shows us that the market is about to do what? The market, it's already, by the way, it's already going down, but there's nothing wrong here. If you do not really get in the market, these trends can last longer, so you can just wait for proper reversals. But here, to me, it's a nice confirmation. Maybe the market will be respecting this level and going even lower, or maybe we will see what will happen. But at the end of the day, we are going to have a proper trend line going down, if this trend line can keep up with the momentum. But things might change. This is Nasdaq, this is stocks or shares, so don't just expect aggressive sell. When you see those aggressive sell, just know that it's an opportunity for other people to buy. It's not really like currency pairs, right? So now we are actually on Nasdaq US Tech, NESS 100. So what's really happening? We can easily see that the market was, it was. You can see that the market was going down, but to me that's normal, like this, like that, like that. So I think I can say we are still on this nice uptrend. So what we see here is on Friday, the market started to give us this aggressive sell or reversal. But when we check our structure, that was not something that will make us to panic, because we had those type of structures for even before. But at the end of the day, I'm still bullish until the market breaks my support area. Then I can say, yes, it's time for us to do what? To see those sell, or to think about selling. I saw my brother on the comment section. He said, Kenzo, I'm expecting to see Nasdaq to bounce back. I think it's already sold, but US30 and S&P 500, they look like they're already going down. I was also seeing the same thing. So likely enough, the market did not even reach the support area here, so we're going back. That will be good, because I'm still expecting the market to continue going higher, because we are on this nice uptrend, and we have the news that they said, you know what, they are going to cut the rate. So this is a very nice rebound. Most likely the market doesn't really move like this, especially after this aggressive sell. The market mostly, just look here, Once we have this aggressive sell, the market will start to create this sort of consolidation. So this one is a very nice one. Here we had a consolidation before we had a very nice move, but here it seems like we're gonna reach this area before before the market even open. That will be great if that happens. I'm still bullish, by the way. I'm still bullish. So, guys, if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. We still have that $48 special, which ends this weekend. So, let me know if you want to be part of that team so that we can start to eat together. So, I was talking about the S&P 500. You can easily see that, yes, we still have this proper support area that was making sense for quite some time. So on Friday, the market tried to break out of that. You can easily see that the market is trying to break out. The tensions were crazy. I think they're not going to continue that much, especially Iran and Israel. I don't think that will be continuing, and that will be good for the market. So which means now S&P 500 was breaking out. We were thinking about maybe going down. Maybe the market is about to sell. But you know what? I said, let's not just jump on this thing because it might reverse, and likely enough that it's happening at the moment. So we can easily see that we have few hours where the market was reversing. So which means this might be some very good news. Let's hope that we have retail sales. Maybe that will be good news. If that is going to be some very good news, it means we're going to see this markets going even higher, and that will be great. So on this one here, I'm expecting, I think it's going to be a very nice buy, something like that, as the market is trying to go towards that support area or even above that area. So something like this can work very nice and in our favor. I think that can be good. So yeah, let's push to the next one, which is US oil. US oil, US oil. On US oil, we have something like this. As an uptrend, you can see, let me remove the older one so that we have a cleaner chart. So this is what we have at the moment. You can see that the market has been giving us this nice moves, boom, then the market is going up. So what do you expect? We're expecting the market to do what? To go up, unless if the market breaks out of this level, then we can say it's time for us to look for that sell. But at the moment, it shows us that, you know what, the market is still on that uptrend, and I'm expecting to see the market continuing going even higher. That's what I see. So unless if we have any breakout, but with this conflicts, whatever that's happening all over the world, oil can still go even higher. Simple as that. So anyways, I'm just waiting for you to smash that subscribe button. I will be posting my prices here. If you want to be part of the team, if you enjoy the way we do the analysis, if you want to learn maybe mentorship, it's actually $350. Let me know if you want to be that part of the team. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.